straight on, are we? Morning. Back out again. Going up to do Wansfell Pike, back in Ambleside. Extra guest today. Got my son with me today, Lee, and of course the usual two, Derek and Mary. The weather's been a bit crap the last few days, so fells will be a bit wet, but it should be okay. So we'll see you a bit later. Right, we're a little further on. We're now coming up to Jenkins Crag, which is quite a nice viewpoint on the way up to Wansfell. A little further on, we're now walking through Skelghyll Woods on the way up to Wansfell Pike, and the weather is holding for us. Actually, the nice moves behind us. And we're just coming to where there's I'm not sure what that is, that little tower. I think it may be something to do with the Thalmere Reservoir. It looks like the same sort of kind of building. Okay, so we'll see you a bit later on. Right, we're just a little further on now. We came out of the woods just down there. Obviously where you're looking at now, still got Windermere in the distance. Grasmere in that direction. You can just about see Wansfell. I think the Pike is just the other side of that. It's not far. But still quite nice day. Right, we'll carry on and we'll see you a bit later. Right, we are a little further on, still making our way up to Wansfell Pike, but still getting some great views, great views. You can just see in the distance there, that's the Langdale Pikes. And to the right, we're looking over to Grasmere and Skelghyll. Well, actually no, that's what we're looking directly ahead of us is the Fairfield Horseshoe. And the others are just see Derek right in the distance. Let me zoom in, see if I can catch him. Making his way up to Wansfell. Although it may look a bit drab, but still get some fantastic views. I haven't brought my camera today, just got my phone, but shame because you would have caught some great pictures. Right, we'll carry on and we'll see you a bit later. Right, we're a little further on. Sun's with me today.
Hello.
What are you thinking, Lee?
Thinking? It's lovely weather. This is my sort of weather. Not too hot, not too cold. Sun breaking through. Rainbow that side.
It's not his first Wainwright, he's done about 30.
Don't want to go home.
So he's just come up for the weekend. These beasts of a truck.
Can't beat it.
Oh, we can see the rainbow, look. I'm not sure you'll pick it up on the camera.
A whole lot.
So the summit is just behind Derek. Well, it's actually a bit of a false summit, it's a couple of more plods up there. We were going to go up and do Red Scree, but we thought the weather would be too bad, but it actually turned out not too bad at the moment. Dizzing cloud, yeah.
Yeah, if we can get the break.
Right, so we'll carry on and we'll see you a bit later. Still making our way up. may hear a bit of wind noise on this piece, but still fantastic views. It's Windermere, obviously. Just a look at the Langdale Pikes. Fantastic. So we reached the top of Wansfell Pike, just under 1600 feet. And the weather's a bit windy, but still got some great views. We were going to go up Red Screes, but we decided against it. Perhaps we should have done. Anything to say, you two? Mary's been remarkably quiet today. Yes. So what's the plan after this? We're going to go down, or are we going to walk some? Go a bit further. Could do. We'll see. You'll see it on the video anyway if we do. Otherwise we'll go down for a coffee and a pint by the waterfall. Yep. So we'll see you a bit later. A little further on, we'll come from the summit of Wansfell Pike, which is just behind me there. And ahead of us is Baystones, which I believe is the Wainwright.
Sorry?
Which I believe is the Wainwright top. Yeah, unfortunately the weather's turned a bit wet and windy now. Let me just turn you around. That's the... That's the Wainwright summit, just behind Mary.
Well done.
A bit further on, just come down from Wansfell Pike, making our way back into Ambleside. Even though the weather's been a bit, still got some great views, especially over towards Langdale Pikes over there, which is directly above me. Let me zoom in. Spectacular. Still lost Derek, it's just only Mary and Lee at the moment. Hopefully we'll catch him up in Costas, or we might catch him up before the waterfall. We're going to go to the waterfall, which is just down here. What's the name of that waterfall, Mary? We'll put it in the comments below somewhere. Right, so we'll see you a bit later. A little further down now, that right in the distance is the top of Wansfell Pike, where we were a little earlier. Come all the way down now. see Mary and Lee in the distance. Right, we're now at Stockghyll Force Waterfalls, just outside Ambleside. A lot of water today in the waterfall. Right, we're a little further on. We're at Stockghyll Force Waterfall. Obviously, we just come down from Wansfell Pike and the Wainwright of Baystones.
Yeah, Baystone, yeah.
So it's been a good day. So I hope you liked the video. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. See you later.